Hey everyone! Today, we're going to see if we can complete the SML quote. So let's get started. Complete the SML quote. In this video, you should try to complete the SML quotes to prove if you are a true SML fan. Let's begin. First up, we have I'm outta here, dude, buddy, or mate. This answer is A, dude. Joseph says, I'm outta here, dude. Next up, we have I can't wait to sit down and watch TV, YouTube, or my phone. This answer is A, TV. Marvin says, I can't wait to sit down and watch TV. Next, haha, that's so funny, Charlie, Doofy, or Dad. This answer is B, Doofy. Junior says, haha, that's so funny, Doofy. Next up, you called, sir, my lord, or friend. This answer is A, sir. Shive says, you called, sir? Next up, alright, what seems to be the disease, problem, or crime? This answer is B, problem. Brooklyn guy says, alright, what seems to be the problem? Next up, alright class, today, are you ready? Or let's learn. This answer is A, today. Jackie Chu says, alright class, today? Next up, give me your car, house payment, or money. This answer is B, house payment. Mr. Goodman says, give me your house payment. Next up, oh, hi guys, I'm Lavelle, Charlie, or Joseph. This answer is B, Charlie. Oh, hi guys, I'm Charlie. Next up, hey, Brooklyn, dear, or Boyne. This answer is C, Boyne. Karen says, hey Boyne. Next up, we have mate, dude, or man. This answer is A, mate. Simmons says, mate. And that brings us to the end of the game. And we got a 10 out of 10, which means that we are a true SML fan. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!